Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to send money to MPesa quickly and securely? Here's how to send money from WorldRemit to MPesa in just a few simple steps. First of all, log into your WorldRemit account. If you don't have one, sign up on the website or mobile app using your email and complete identity verification. On the home page, choose the country you are sending money to. Select Kenya from the drop-down list. Since you are sending money to M-Pesa, select mobile money as your transfer method. Now, input the amount you want to send. Make sure it doesn't exceed $500 per transfer and that your recipient's M-Pesa wallet can hold the funds. Now, provide the recipient's phone number and official name as registered on M-Pesa. Review the transfer details including fees before completing the payment. You can pay via bank transfer or debit card. Once the transfer is complete, both you and your recipient will receive an SMS and email confirmation when the money is credited to their M-Pesa account. And that's it. Send money to M-Pesa anytime, anywhere with WorldRemit. Fast and secure. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.